Error code 1240 appears when the operation panel is not open as it should be during printing. The causes of this error include a closed operational panel and closing the control panel during printing. To fix the error, start by checking the operation panel. When the error occurs, click the stop button on the printer. If the operation panel is closed, open it and ensure it doesn't get closed accidentally while printing. Next, slide out the output tray and its support, making sure the output tray extension is open. Tap OK and resume printing to see if the error is resolved. If the issue persists, perform a power cycle on the printer by pressing stop to cancel the printing. Turning off the printer, removing all cables, and keeping it off for 5 minutes. Then, plug the cables back in and switch on the printer. If these methods are unsuccessful, it may be necessary to contact support for further assistance, using the contact information found in the printer's packaging.